Ready to unlock your productivity superpowers for free? Here are some game-changing tools. First up, time management. Google Calendar lets you schedule and set reminders like a pro. Track your time with Clockify or Toggle, and stay focused with Pomodoro timers like Focus Booster. Next, task management. Organize projects visually with Trello and Notion. Simplify your to-do lists with Microsoft To Do and Google Keep. For note-taking, try Evernote Basic and OneNote to capture ideas. Obsidian connects your notes, and Google Docs lets you collaborate in real time. Need to focus? Grow virtual plants with Forest or Focus Plant, and de-stress with Insight Timer. Automate tasks with IFTTT and Zapier. Use Google Sheets to simplify calculations. Boost your skills for free on Coursera and edX. Learn from Khan Academy and YouTube. Organize your inbox with Unroll.me and Gmail filters. Maintain healthy habits with MyFitnessPal and FitOn. Finally, declutter digitally with CC Cleaner and organize your files. Save and read articles offline with Pocket or Instapaper, and stay inspired with Feedly. Unlock your productivity potential today with these free tools.